Hearing aid users face their biggest challenge in noisy social situations. Traditional hearing aids process sound with only one track, limiting their effectiveness in these situations. With G7, we introduced the revolutionary split processing of speech and environmental sounds into separate tracks, vastly improving hearing in noise. Now, G8 hearing aids take multi-track processing to the next level. G8 uses up to 5 tracks to process speech from individual speakers and sounds from the surrounding environment. Auto-optimization ensures a balanced hearing experience, even when conversation partners move or new people join. G8 hearing aids seamlessly combine multi-track processing and auto-optimization to ensure the best hearing in any noisy situation automatically. G8 hearing aids also feature the latest Bluetooth LE audio technology, enabling easy pairing with smartphones for hands-free calls and audio streaming. G8 hearing aids, the smart choice for better hearing in noise.